those clouds. Nice, nice, beautiful day. Little chilly, but it's still very nice. Okay, it's time to head back. Oh. That is so beautiful though, isn't it? So rocky. Wow. Okay. Starting to warm up a little bit. I need to go open up the van too. I closed it up and locked it. Windows are popped open though, but still Chynna's in there. And probably time for her to come out a little bit too. Right over the trail. So I think I stayed before at Stone Cliff. I'm not 100% positive. I'd have to go back through my videos to see, but I think that's where I stayed. Okay. Took a spider web to the eye. That's always lovely. Not. Okay, I guess I'll go back, get out the computer, work on some more videos. Getting some editing done. I got 3 done yesterday. And I'll get some more done today. And I will definitely have one of those mountain house meals tonight. So we'll see how that goes. Like, oh, goodness. Goodness me gracious. Here's my shadow. Hi. Back to the campground. Yeah, like I said, it was a short little walk. Oh. And this is somebody's site. You have to walk through to get to it, but they're not here right now, so it won't matter. Looks like they're going to have a fire tonight. And look, I've lost my sun. I've lost most of my sun. We'll see what the power stations are charged at. So yeah, there's a view of the campground. This is Army Camp at the new River Gorge. All right. So cute. Okay, and this is the other circle of the park. Isn't much. So we have a banner here, self-built van. He built it out himself. And then we have an Airstream down here. Really got it up on those leveling blocks, didn't he? There's a little bit of activity today, but not much. I think people went elsewhere. And they've got their portable solar panel set up too. Oh well, that might be a good site to have for solar. And here's the Airstream. And they're gone for the day. However, I'd never leave my windows open that much while I was gone, in case of a rogue wind or something happening. Sunny over there. Good. Clouds are breaking up, I hope. Okay, heading back. Are you having a good time? I just put some catnip on her bed. Too funny. Hi, Chynna. Hi. Okay, gonna do a little work. All right, this is the path that I took to get down to the river to gather my water. Showing it just in case I'm not able to use any of the footage from the other camera. Of course you wouldn't know that, would you? Because I wouldn't be able to edit it and upload it if I can't use it. There's that. Lots of rocks. I should set out a pork chop for dinner. You know, solar kind of sucks today, but I have my generator. I could always run it for about an hour to charge up my power stations. Squirrel. But you can't see it, but I can. Don't trip over the roots. Alrighty, and yeah, had to scramble all over those to get to the water to fill my water bags, not knowing that that other beach was over there. However, it's a shorter walk, so there's that. Yeah, it's a neat area. I did catch that snake on video a little bit, so I'll be able to see it better on the computer. And this guy has two really cute dogs, and I told him that there was a snake over there, but I said it ran away, so it doesn't want to go after anybody. But I just wanted him to know it was there. Last thing he needs is for one of his dogs to get bitten, because I don't know what kind of snake it was. Alrighty. Oh gosh. Let me angle this. There we go. Head back to the van. Maybe I'll set out a pork chop. I really should cook something once in a while. There's a squirrel again. That's squirrely squirrel. Not a whole lot of them here though. They're little gray squirrels. And I'll finish showing you the rest of the park. I'm going to show you half of it. I hear you. I see you. You're running. You're running. You're running. He's on top of that log over there. Whew. So I tried different mics with this camera, but they didn't work in it, which is kind of disappointing. I have a new little Boya lapel mic and it's tiny, and it would have been cool to use. I can use it with the other camera though. I just have to figure out getting a program for it. There's the little guys. And we meet again. The acorn cleanup crew.
Oh, that would be a job here.
Yeah, you're the acorn cleanup crew. Silly little guys. She's so cute. They're both cute, but puppies are just especially cute.
Yeah, puppies have a way.
Yeah.
Love being hurt.
That's right. Right, we're leaving Army Camp. Taking a little bit of a scenic route on the way out, I think. When it gets service, I'll have to pull over and put the route in my phone's GPS, because this GPS that I'm using, it said I'm 955 miles away, which can't be right, because from my point in Pennsylvania to my sister's point in South Carolina, it's about 700 miles. So, unless it's sending me back to Pennsylvania, that wouldn't make sense either. Wouldn't add up either, so yeah. We'll get out of here. I don't know. It says it's 23 miles. I don't know, maybe I should stick with 41. Maybe when I get to 41, I'll have service. We'll see. And this is a one-way road, so you have to kind of be a little cautious. Veer to the left when you're going up blind hills, going, over blind hills and such. Veer to the left, veer to the right. Yeah, I'm one of those. We're starting to get some color here. The leaves are just starting to change here. Wow, look at that mountain. Wow, that is high. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're on pavement, so you're not on the dirt road very long. Skeleton crew's over here. Chynna's safely in the back. Yeah. One of the other campers there, he said it got to 33 last night. He said there was frost all over my roof this morning. And I believe it, because I could hear the water dripping as it was melting. So I chose to just stay in bed till it got a little bit warmer. I don't even know what time it is. Let me Okay, it's almost noon. It's 11:57. I don't have to be anywhere in any particular amount of time.